Bingo Cash requires players to meet its eligibility rules before they can use the platform, which means your age and location can affect whether you are allowed to play. By the end, you will know how to check if you qualify for Bingo Cash, where to find the age requirement information, and what to do if you cannot access certain features. The first thing to check is the eligibility information inside the Bingo Cash app, or its official terms. Age rules are part of the account requirements, so you should review them before creating an account or entering games. If you cannot complete registration, the issue may be connected to eligibility, account verification, or another account requirement. Check the information you entered, and make sure it matches your real details. Your location can also matter because gaming apps may have different availability rules depending on where you live. If Bingo Cash is not available in your area, changing account information or using incorrect details will not solve the issue. If you already have an account and a feature is unavailable, check your account status and any messages shown in the app. The reason may be related to verification or account settings. Parents and guardians should also be aware that competitive gaming apps with entry fees or rewards may have specific requirements for users. Reviewing the official rules before allowing access helps avoid account problems later. When creating an account, use accurate information. Incorrect details can create problems with verification, payments, or account access. If you are unsure whether you qualify, check the official Bingo Cash requirements instead of relying on comments or unofficial posts. Rules can change, and the app's own information is the most reliable place to confirm current requirements. The main points are simple. Check the eligibility rules first, use accurate account information, and confirm that Bingo Cash is available where you live. Your next step is to open the Bingo Cash app or official information page and review the current requirements before signing up or joining games. If this guide helped you understand Bingo Cash age requirements, like the video and subscribe for more app guides and troubleshooting tips.